Hey guys, happy Friday to you out there today. I just wanted to speak to anybody that's thinking about purchasing a new home anytime soon, whether you're in a rental situation at the moment and you're just trying to get into your first home, or you are in an existing home that you own and you're just thinking about maybe renting it out and moving on to another one. But what I want to introduce is a zero down option for you. I don't know that you can go rent a place. I don't think you can rent a place anymore with no money. You've got to come in with some kind of some type of deposit out there, but you can purchase a home with no money. And I'm going to walk you through how that works when we talk. But basically what this is an FHA mortgage that has a grant down payment assistance option to it that is completely forgivable, so you never have to pay that back, that down payment money there. So you have a 96.5% first mortgage, you can get up to 3% down payment assistance there with no strings attached. If you are a first-time home buyer, there is no income limitations on that. There are some if you already own a home or have owned a home in recent times. I just need a credit score down to 620, and you are a good candidate for this. The other thing I wanted to make mention, this is for primary homes only. That would include single-family homes, condos, townhomes, manufactured homes, all of the above there. And one thing being that this is now becoming more and more of a buyer's market. It hasn't been as easy as now to get home offers accepted with little to no money down and or getting sellers to pay closing costs for you. So technically you can get in really with no money down. One thing I'll also make mention of, this is going to be available in all of our states except Washington State. So California, Oregon, Nevada, Texas, Arizona, Tennessee, Florida, Idaho. We can help you in any of those states there with this special program. But I look forward to making this all come together for you. DM me, PM me, call me, email me, complete an application. We will give you a fast pre-approval. You could be on the road to homeownership as soon as 24 hours time. Have a great weekend.